So now let's walk through, after we've unboxed the unit, we've installed it, now we need to actually make our connections. So let's walk through the plugs, the connections, and how we're gonna set this thing up to make it operate properly. So now to finish the installation with the NSX, we're now looking at the back of the unit. We're going to walk you through some of the connections and how we find and access certain things. So as we start from the far left-hand side, we've got our yellow, that's our Ethernet connection. So now if we're adding radar, if we're adding multiple devices on a network, you need to connect that Ethernet, IP cameras, all of that comes through the Ethernet port. Next to it is the Enemy A2000. So this is if we're transferring that digital data. We're tying in autopilots. We're bringing in an audio server. We want to control that audio server, digital switching, all that's going to come in through the Enemy A2000. Then on the 9 and 12 inch only, we have the USB port. This is to add a USB stick to save data, to bring in and update software. Also adds the ability to add the MI10 chart reader. As we keep going down, we've got our 4-pin power cord. Just simply we hook it up to the 12-volt source. We connect that, we're good to go. And then last is our transducer port. This is a 9-pin port, which will allow you to do not only echo sounder, but side and down scan all through the same transducer. We look in the middle of the machine, here's where we actually have our chart reader. So it is a quick pop release chart card. We do take micro SD cards, but that's where you'll install it in the unit. Otherwise, you'll use the USB in the 9 and 12 for the optional MI10 remote mount. In the package comes these dust caps. So you always want to make sure that you're popping on dust caps and don't want to allow any areas for water intrusion to destroy your unit.